What's going on, everybody? In today's video, guy who spends way too much money on battle songs in 1 year here. This is a Black Battle Song channel V2 Reaper. Wow. It's good. 6AL4V titanium handles, channel, like it says in the name. If you didn't catch that part, you have the same brain capacity as me.
You didn't have to cut me off like we were nothing.
M390 blade seal instead of the V1s having S35VN. I kind of like S35VN a little bit more, but you know, I'm not complaining. This is a top tier blade steel. Little Reaper boy right there. Yeah. Sharp boy also. It sounds. It has a sound.
You didn't have to cut me off like we were nothing.
Okay, goodbye. Buy this, $400. Goodbye.